guys, David here again from Reviews for Dummies. Today I'm going to be reviewing a program called Amiga. It's a software program that is designed really for beginners, but it can suit anyone of any experience level. It's 100% automated and hands-free, and it can drive high volumes of traffic to your office. As usual, the Dummies have put together some great bonuses. And when you click on the link below, it'll take you to our bonus page. Now, these bonuses expire on Tuesday the 17th of August at midnight. And Amiga goes live at 9 PM on Saturday the 14th. So you only have about 3 days to pick up these bonuses. But the Dummies have put together some great bonuses. First bonus is high ticket mastery, which allows you to sell and make good money out of high ticket items. Bonus number 2 is to learn how to get better conversions. So to convert better, get better quality leads to make obviously more sales. Bonus number 3 is how to make an app in less than 25 minutes. This shows you how to build your own app, and then you can sell that as you can put that on the affiliate boards and have other affiliates sell that for you. So bonus number 4 is access the SEO studio. Now this is only available for 24 hours from 9 PM tomorrow night. So this is a great program for improving your SEO, your search engine optimization of your website, of your videos, YouTube videos, just to make them searched and rank a lot higher. So, and then of course bonus number 5 is the special bonuses from Amiga, from the vendor. So just if we quickly have a look at what's Amiga all about. Okay, so if we go into, this is their sales page. If you click on the link, it'll take you to their sales page. And basically what it says here, it can send up to 127 buyers every 10 seconds based on the numbers of users in this platform. So the demo trials, the beta testing, had some fantastic figures. So the first test, or the total of the 3 tests, came to about $37,000. So basically it's 1 click to purchase and 2 to set it up and just relax, and it drives the traffic to you. So it's a typical sales page. This is Billy Darr, the creator of the program, who's also known as the Internet Millionaire, and that's because he's made a substantial income from internet marketing. So the usual sales thing, but if we just go down here to tell you the most important part is what the product does. As you can see, this product hasn't been launched yet, so the sales page isn't even quite finished. But basically what it is, it's using a program called Telegram, which is similar to Messenger, and this is it's not illegal, it's not spamming, it's not messaging strangers, it's not doing anything else, it's just advertising on that platform, and it's all free advertising. Basically it's a loophole, but it's legal and it's ethical, and we can take advantage of it. So basically it can get you in front of hundreds of buyers every 10 seconds. So quickly, easy and automatically. So that you can sell them your affiliate offers, you can grow your list, you can sell high ticket items, CPA offers, and actual physical products. So you can even go and use the bonus and create your own app. So it's a state-of-the-art program. The usual things. This is their first test. They got 114 visitors, made just over $500. Second test, we got 237 visitors, just over $700. And the third test, only 37 free visitors, and made $1,284. So as you can see, the volumes are there, and this was on just on the beta testing. So you could make the results with this too. As you see, the sales page is still a little bit left to be done. Probably by the time you click on this, this will all be going. But for me now, a couple of days earlier, it's not quite ready. But I do have access to the dashboard. So basically, with the dashboard, as you can see, it's nice and clean. It's very easy to navigate through. It has all your affiliate products set up for your Warrior Plus and for your JB Zoo. These are probably just demo ones at this stage, but it's easy to access. Sales pages, bonus pages, etc. There's full tutorials. If you go up here to the registration, you'll see tutorials, upgrades, support, and log out. Now the support is also very good, but I'll go into that in a little bit later. Then in Creator, you can go in and you can actually create your own ads that are going to go onto this platform. It comes with, depending on what version you buy or what level you buy, quite a lot of already made templates. So if we just go down here, here's one, let's make some money. So let's click on this, so we can just go in here. So there's your basic template, quite nice, clean, and then you can modify that using the buttons here, very similar to quite a few others, a bit like Canva and that sort of thing. So okay, so if you want to go to text, you can pick your text. There it is. It's all drag and drop. Edit your text. So on, and then you can save that. You can pause it because you can actually put in videos. It's got quite a big selection of audio, so you can put audio backing tracks. It's a little bit loud, but as you can see, there's quite a few already in there, and depending on what version you have access to a lot more. So now that I've sort of given you a quick run through there, go back to the sales page. So what does it cost? You know, basically this could, they actually said here, if we go in here into the sales page again, the initial price they were looking at is $290 something per month. Because you know it delivers to, actually they've updated some of this just recently. They weren't there before. So as we were saying before, it works with Warrior Plus, QuickBank, JB Zoo, eBay, Amazon, Max Bounty, basically anywhere it will deliver to any platforms. So basically what you get is you get the brand new Amiga software, you get step-by-step tutorials, you get a quick start guide if you want to get stuck into it without reading through or watching videos. You can get a checklist which just takes you to the points to get you up and going straight away. You get a customer only Q&A call. They have a live Q&A call, but if you can't make it, it'll be recorded, and so you can watch that anyway. And guaranteed approval of instant profits. Now this is a very exciting thing. Most products come with 30 days or 60 days. This has 365-day warranty, and if you don't think it's any good, they'll give you your money back plus $100. So as you can see there, built for beginners, 100% new and fresh. Telegram traffic hasn't been exploited, so it's something new. It's something that you can get in as a ground floor opportunity. make money while you sleep, basically, because it's all automated. But just going down, they still haven't finished a lot of this. They were looking at $297 a month, but today your front end is only $17. That's a one-time only fee. As you say, it's a brand new program that they've developed. They haven't even finished their sales page, but it's from what I've seen, what I've gone through, it's very substantial. So basically, just the pricing, front end $17, which gives you access to the software and the training modules. Your first upsell, $39, gives you unlimited Amiga. So there's obviously some limitations in the front end, but has multiple templates, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales, and also additional tutorials. Upsell number 2, which is $197, but it's done for you. So they do it for you, and they just send the traffic and the sales to you. So there's also the upsell number 3 for $39, which you're able to activate the automation tools within it, but you've still got to do it yourself. Then you've got the template club, so you get an extra 200 customizable video templates that you can use. So as I said, there's probably also extra audio tracks and those sort of things, all royalty free. Upsell number 5 is 50 click and go campaigns. So basically these are TikTok campaigns, and you can just copy and paste them and you're ready to go. No work involved. So some of the key benefits is free traffic in seconds. You know, they have dozens of happy testers, 100% automated and hands-free. They made about nearly $38,000, created for beginners, and you can just settle back, travel when we can, enjoy life and be happy. That's what it's all about. The whole thing is, it's all been designed around beginners, but like I said, if you're an experienced affiliate marketer, you know, it certainly can probably drive some traffic that you don't have to work for to your offers as well.